Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve a very simple but tricky question that many people find confusing. First, I will show some incorrect solutions and then I will reveal the correct one. This approach will allow you to think about the problem while I'll explain the other solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. I rewrite the expression here. 4 minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. Some people start by dividing 4 by 2, which equals 2. Then dividing 8 by 2, which equals 4. And finally subtract 4 from 4 to get the answer of 0, which is wrong. To show another wrong answer, let me rewrite the expression here, divided by 2. Many people, without considering the order of operations, start doing the calculations from left to right, just like reading a book. They say 4 minus 8 equals minus 4, and then minus 4 divided by 4 equals minus 1, and finally minus 1 divided by 2 is minus 1 over 2 as a final answer, which is wrong as well. I rewrite the expression here, minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. And other people perform operations randomly. They say 4 minus 8 equals minus 4. Then 4 divided by 2 is 2. And finally, minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2 as a final but definitely wrong answer. Now let's take a look at the correct answer. For solving such an expression with multiple operations, we must know the order of operations rules. I'll write them here so we can perform the calculations while considering their priorities. Number 1 is parentheses and brackets. Number 2, do exponents. Number 3, multiplication and division. And finally, addition and subtraction. I draw 2 stars here to remind myself that multiplication and division have the same priority and we need to perform them from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction as well. For writing these rules, I got help the alignment. If you don't have any idea what alignment is, I highly recommend watching my video about the order of operation rules with alignment. Let's back to solve this expression. In this expression, we have minus and division signs. So we can skip rules number 1 and 2 of the order of operations. Given these rules, division signs have higher priority than subtraction. So we need to start with division. But which one? Remember that when we have the same operations following each other, we need to operate from left to right, performing the left one first. So here we have 4 minus 8 divided by 4 divided by 2. So we need to start here. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So I rewrite the expression here, 4 minus 2 divided by 2. And then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we have something like this, 4 minus 1. Pay attention to the minus sign here. So 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3 as our final answer. So our final answer is option D. Thanks for watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more math hacks and tips. Until next time, happy mathing!